Today we're in Cardiff University's Sparc building for a really special event as part of our 10th birthday celebrations. Creative Cardiff is celebrating 10 years in 2025, and as part of that, not only are we doing lots to celebrate our birthday, but we're also seeing it as a really good opportunity to reevaluate where we are, what we want to do next, and make sure that we're adding as much value as possible, but also seeing it as a chance to plan for our future and making sure that we're doing that in direct collaboration and dialogue with the creative community.
I have really fond memories of my time working with Creative Cardiff as a student producer. So I came to support and to see some familiar faces. They do so much for the community and for people's confidence. There's no gatekeeping, everyone's trying to help each other, and I feel that's quite a rare thing.
Creative Cardiff is brilliant at nurturing new talent, and I think that it plays a supportive role to enable innovation.
We all share that common interest of we're part of Creative Cardiff in some sort of way. Just hearing other people's kind of experiences of Creative Cardiff, and also what can we do better and what can be different in 5 to 10 years.
During COVID, I think Creative Cardiff played a really important part in keeping some hope alive, especially amongst isolated individuals.
It was nice for people who attended to meet the other people who have also had a part in Creative Cardiff. This is really important for us because we're going to use all these voices from the community who have worked in a range of sectors in the creative industry to really shape the content and events so that we're truly representing the entire sector and everyone that's involved in the community.
I'd like to congratulate Creative Cardiff on not just surviving but being healthy and optimistic. Happy birthday and congratulations.